Let me ask you something. What if the reason you're still broke is not because you're lazy, not because you're stupid, but because you're following a system that was never designed for you to win? Sounds dramatic, right? But I'm serious. You see, I grew up thinking that if you just work hard, be kind, be faithful, stay obedient, you'll succeed. I didn't finish college. I became a missionary. I believed that as long as I was doing the right thing, everything would eventually fall into place. But here's what actually happened. Years passed, and I was still broke, still confused, still praying for breakthroughs that never came. And that's when it hit me. I wasn't broken, but the system I was following, maybe it was. No one ever said it out loud, but think about it. Schools teaches you how to follow instructions, not how to think for yourself. They reward obedience, not creativity. You're trained to wait for permission, not to take initiative. Then you graduate. They say, go find a job. So you do what you're told. And what happens? You get a job that barely pays the bills. You get stuck in a cycle where you survive but never really grow, never really build anything that's yours. And here's the painful truth: that cycle was never meant to make you rich. It was built to make you compliant. Now, I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just telling you what I saw when I stepped back. The whole system teaches you to be afraid of money, to feel guilty about selling, to wait for blessings instead of building value. I used to think business was evil, sales was manipulation, getting rich meant selling your soul. But then one day I realized I can't help people if I'm broke myself. I can't feed the hungry if I can't feed my own family. I can't preach hope while drowning in quiet despair. So I started learning, not from school, but from books, mentors, and mistakes. I learned how money works, how value works, how freedom works. And you know what I discovered? Success isn't about working harder inside the system. It's about understanding the game the system never taught you. That's why I wrote a book. It's called Living Rich in a Poor Third World Country. Because I know what it's like to live in a country where everything around you screams impossible. But I also know it's possible to rewire the way you think, even if nothing outside you changes. So maybe this message is for you. Maybe you've done everything right. You've been good. You've been patient. But deep down, you're tired. Tired of waiting. Tired of just surviving. Tired of watching other people move forward while you stay stuck. If that's you, you're not crazy. You're not lazy. You're just stuck in a system that was never meant to set you free. So here's my invitation. Start questioning. Start unlearning. Start reading, creating, building, even if it feels slow at first. In the next video, I'll talk about invisible poverty. The kind that lives in your beliefs, not in your bank account. If you want to break free, stick around. If you're ready to ship, read the book. It's in the description. And if none of this makes sense to you, maybe you're not ready yet. But when you are, I'll still be here. See you next time.